Welcome to lesson 3. This is part 1 of lesson 3, in which we're going to learn the important concepts and key points of lesson 3. In lesson 3, we will learn النكرة والمعرفة. النكرة والمعرفة. النكرة والمعرفة. What is النكرة and what is المعرفة? We learned in lesson 1 and 2 words such as بيت, a word such as بيت, and we said that بيت means a house. بيت, a house, any house. Is it a specific house? No. A house, any house. بيت. This word in the Arabic language is called nakira. It's called nakira, meaning it is indefinite. Indefinite or indefinite. It's indefinite because it is unknown which house. You're not speaking about a specific house. Any house. A house. A house. Baytun. On the other side, we have words. The same word, we can change it and we can put the alif lam in front of it and it becomes al-baytu. 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 Al-baytu now, it means the house. The house. Are we speaking about a specific house? Yes, we are. The house. Not any house, not a house, but the house. Al-baytu. This is called ma'rifa. This word is called ma'rifa, meaning it is definite or definite. Meaning that it is a specific house. And baytun is nakiratun. Nakira meaning it is indefinite. It is indefinite. Literally, nakira means something that is unknown, and ma'rifa means something that is known. So nakira, it is unknown which house. A house. It's indefinite. Any house. Ma'rifa, it is known which house we're talking about. The house. The house. The specific house. So this is al-nakira and al-ma'rifa. Also very important that you understand and you observe the changes. Whenever a word is nakira, it will have tanween, dammatain. Perhaps we're going to see later on, it can have kasratain or fathatain. It is nakira, it must have tanween. So nakira will have, we make a little margin here. The nakira will have tanween. It has tanween. Tanween, which means two dhammas or two kasras or two fathas. This means tanween. Okay. Does it have alif lam on it? No alif lam. So does it have alif lam? The definite article? No alif lam. No alif lam. Now what about the ma'rifa? Does it have tanween? Do you see two dhammas at the end of it? No. So tanween. Does it have tanween? No tanween. Has no tanween. Put the vowels on. Tanweenun. Tanweenun. What about alif lam? Does it have alif lam? Does it have alif lam? Yes, it has alif lam. Yes, it has alif lam. So we can sum up the rules of tanween, the rules of nakira and ma'rifa, the rules of nakira and ma'rifa by saying an-nakira has tanween and has no alif lam. You cannot put alif lam on a word that is nakira. And likewise, it's going to take a tanween at the end of it. However, al-ma'rifa, a word that is ma'rifa, that is definite, it has alif lam. This is called a definite article. Alif lam, at-ta'rif. Ta'rif meaning to make it known, to make it definite. And if you put alif lam on the word, you cannot put tanween. You cannot put tanween. So if you have a word, for instance, like qalamun, and I say to you, make it ma'rifah. So you put a alif lam, right? You put alif lam on it, alif lam. Are you going to leave it like that? No, you must take off one of the dhammas. Al-qalamu. Al-qalamu. Okay? And this translates as the house, a house.